Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing beef jollof rice. Very easy and quick recipe, okay? This recipe is inspired by Sweet Adjeley. Sweet Adjeley has got a really nice channel, cooking channel. Guys, you have to check it out. Oh, you'll be amazed the lovely recipes that you are going to see there. I'll put a link down in the description box. So guys, do come along with me and let's do it. If you love jollof rice, come along with me. If you are new here, you are welcome. So guys, I'm using passata. Okay, I'm not using fresh tomatoes, but this is tomatoes anyway. So I have the garlic, the one with basil, and the one with chilies. That's what I'm using. So yeah, first of all, I just want to blend my onions and some spices. I'll put them all in the description box, okay? And then this is my passata. I put them there and I add a bit of tomato puree, okay? And then I mix it nicely. And then this is the blended onions and spices, my herbs. So I mix that nicely. There's also pepper in it as well. I added pepper. I put that on for it to cook, okay, whilst I'm preparing for my jollof rice. So guys, to fry our stew for the jollof rice, I'm using coconut oil and I have nicely washed beef with black pepper and white pepper. Okay, so I'm going to fry this using the beef's own juices, okay, and I'm added some ginger and garlic cubes, some bay leaves, and some red onions. So what I'm going to do is to cover this nicely and allow it to cook in its own juices. I tell you, it is really smelling absolutely delicious in my kitchen. So guys, as you can see, the meat is really browned nicely. I'm adding some more onions, chopped onions. Yeah, it makes it taste absolutely delicious. So I'll allow this to cook nicely, and then I'm going to add my tomatoes. My tomatoes is nicely cooked. As you can see, I've already cooked these tomatoes, so it's not going to be on fire for a long time. I tell you, mostly jollof rice still takes a long time, isn't it? But this one wouldn't, because we've already cooked the tomatoes. Right, so yeah, I'll allow this to boil for a few minutes and then we will continue with our jollof rice. So guys, our stew is done. I'm adding some peas because I always like peas in my jollof rice, peas and spring onions, but this is optional. Okay, so I'm adding that and then I am going to add my rice to it. As you can see, it's quite quick and I tell you, you are going to love this. Absolutely delicious. So guys, this is my rice. Okay, I'm using Jasmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I've washed this nicely because I like washing my rice. Okay, so I'll add the stew to it and I'll allow this to be on fire before I add the water. I'll just cook it for a little bit. It adds lovely taste to your jollof rice. So just cook this with the stew for some time before you add water. Okay, so yeah, so that's why I've still not added water. Oh, it smells so lovely. I tell you, you have to try this recipe. So guys, I add some hot water. Okay, not a lot of water because my rice just cooks nicely with just a little bit of water. So you have to know the rice that you are using. Okay, so I'm going to just make sure that you have enough water for the rice, and then I am going to add some salt to taste and also a bit of bay leaves, okay, just to take that to another level, guys. So yeah, That's all that it is. So I'm just cover it with some kitchen foil, all right, and then I'll allow this to cook. So guys, I'm checking my rice. If it's really hard, okay, don't add any more water, just stir it and just cover it again with your foil. It will cook nicely, just the heat that will cook it, all right. And make sure that your fire is at a lower heat so that it's not going to burn. So guys, our jollof rice is cooked. As you can see, it's a very easy recipe. If not try jollof rice, you have to try it because it's delicious. If you try it, you are going to just have it every time. I tell you, kids love it, and a lot of people love jollof rice because it's really nice. So guys, this is it. Just look at that. I love having my jollof rice with salad, okay? Yeah, I love having it with salad. I can't have jollof rice without salad. So yeah, that's what I'm having. It's delicious, it's easy to make, and guys, you have to try this recipe. So if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up, okay? And please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.